Did you know these things are normal in newborns? 1. Sneezing. Babies sneeze often to clear their tiny nasal passages. It's not a cold. 2. Hiccups don't bother them. Hiccups after feeding are common and completely harmless. 3. Newborns often cross their eyes. Their eye muscles are still developing. It usually resolves on its own. 4. Newborn breathing can be irregular. Fast breaths, then pauses. It's called periodic breathing, and it's normal. 5. Peeling skin is totally fine. It's just your baby adjusting to life outside the womb. Moisturize gently. No need to scrub. Your baby is doing better than you think. Follow Little Moonlights for calm, clear newborn guidance.